In this video, I'll show you how to download FC27 on PC quickly, easily, and completely legally. The first thing you need to do is have the platform where you purchased the game installed on your computer, such as Steam, the EA app, or any other official store where it's available. Once you're signed in, use the search bar to find the game. Open its official store page to review the information before starting the installation. If the game isn't already in your library, you'll first need to purchase it from the official store. Once it's been added to your account, simply click the install button and choose the folder where you want to install it. The download will then begin automatically. The time it takes will depend on your internet connection and your computer's performance. Once the download is complete, the platform will automatically finish the installation. After that, simply click play to launch the game for the first time. Before you start playing, it's recommended to make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements and that your graphics drivers are up to date for the best possible performance. And that's it. That's how easy it is to download and install FC27 on PC using the official platforms. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.